So that's Uncle Brian, and that's Randy.
Yep, it should work. It should work. You gotta pull it.
There we go. There we go. Hold it. There we go. Okay, I'm on. Right.
Oh, that doesn't have a ratchet though.
Project
Oh,
Tannerite.
seven grip here.
Yeah.
Push the
This
crib
was taken from the farmhouse a few years ago. They're prepping it.
Okay.
Does that hurt? Does that hurt your back?
There we go.
Me? No. Oh, okay.
Alrighty.
Okay, that's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, trying to find the right location. We decided this would be best. With a nice sight line from up there. Trying to figure out.
I think we ought to put a strap around this door just to have greater maximum explosion. Let the pressure build.
Put a light strap? We could put a light strap around.
I don't know. I think it's gonna explode.
That's why
That'd
keep
be
this in there.
Yeah, the whole bottle. Put it in there.
Well,
In the
you think
freezer.
I would just take the cap off.
Take the cap off it and sprinkle some inside.
In the.
Yeah.
And then light your cigar right now. There you go. Perfect.
That's just sanitizer.
Need more gas?
Right? It's just.
More gas. Oh, the Tannerite. Once you
So,
pour that gas in,
How,
it's
how
like
much
a ticking
Tannerite?
time bomb.
How much Tannerite's in there? 4 to 6 pounds.
I think it's about. I think it's like 4 pounds.
4 pounds of Tannerite and you know, a little bit of gas.
And some moldy cheese bits.
This is all about sanitation.
Where's the lid?
The fridge, we put a little bit of Tannerite in it and a little gasoline. Maybe it'll explode a little. I mean, give a little fireball for a little Hollywood drama. So we'll see what happens. We're going to be out that way somewhere, good 100 yards or so to shoot it.
You hit the target.
We're still waiting. He hit the target, but oh, I think that blew up. So interesting part is we're picking up pieces.
Separated the metal right
The hinges come down here. There's pieces. It was sitting right here. It went back, hit this tree. Went back through, hit this tree. Ended up a good 25 yards back this way. The main end. Another piece. Well, about 30 yards away, and there's more pieces way back there. So, yep, it go boom.